Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to look at how you can add a signer mid-session. So right now we're in the session simulator and we have our primary signer here, but we want to add another person who needs to be in this session. So what we're going to do is go to this blue button where it says Add Signers. And here we have our primary signer who's already in the session. But what we're going to do is type in the name, the email address of the next person who needs to be in this session. And then we want to add an additional signer here. So that's how we would add a signer mid-session, go through the flow, and that'll add the person to sign as well. I hope this helped. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.